Hi, my name is Mike Haynes. I'm Director of Product Development for Point Blank Body Armor, and today we're going to talk about the Armor Smart app. What we've come to find with our dealers and distributors and end users is there are so many different products out there, and when you're dealing with something that's as technical as body armor, a lot of information was kind of getting lost. And what we wanted to do was make it easier for our customers to fully understand what they're looking for, what works best for them, and understand the threat coverage areas and all those things that are really important for body armor. So we created an app that is can be downloaded and saved on a phone. Anywhere you go, anywhere with cell phone reception, you can open it up and use it. And what we did essentially was we took our catalog and we made it interactive. We broke our app down by our core product categories, and really the baseline and what a lot of people need to understand in the industry is ballistic coverage areas. What shapes are going to work best for you, where you have coverage, where you don't, what might be best for your particular mission. So whether it be concealable or tactical, the baseline is always going to be, where you want to start is always going to be with ballistic coverage. So we started here. We have a series of all of our shapes that are available to our customers and explanations as to why those shapes are what they are. And we took it a step further there and made this more interactive. So once you settle in on the shape that you're interested in, we pre-sorted it, and now you have all the carriers that are applicable to that shape. Then you can go through there, look at the ballistic packages, select what you want, and even pair that with hard armor or other accessories like a helmet or a shield or maybe a tactical vest. So we just wanted to make a repository where we knew you know everyone is looking at the right thing and they're getting the right information at the right time. So now we're going to take a look at the plate selector side of this app, which is, I think, is probably the most useful thing with so many different varieties of plates out there, shape, sizes, threats, weights, all of those things, they matter. And we wanted to make it easier for our customers to kind of dive through that information and get specifically what we're looking for. So what we did is we took all of our plates that are available now and we made this app. You can sort and filter by virtually almost every important category with a plate. So you can either start by, say, maybe for example, you're interested in an NIJ certified level 3 plate. You click a button, and out of all the plates that we offer, it's gonna filter that down and show you only the level 3 plates. You want to take that a step further. Maybe some people are very savvy with ballistics and they understand the nomenclature of a ballistic threat. Some people don't, but they recognize the weapons platform, so they know. For example, like an AR or an AK-47, maybe they don't know technically what that round is, but they know they need to be worried about that weapon. So you can sort it by that way either. You have two choices there. You can even sort it further by weight or even by composition. So for example, if I was only interested in steel plates, everything I just filtered through there, it took you a step further, and now everything that's on this page that's applicable to you is only steel plates. So it's one of those things where we took a wide variety and probably the most technical aspect of what we do with hard armor and made it very easy for the customer to navigate, or really for anybody to navigate, and get quickly to the plate that they're looking for and the plate that works best for them. So within the Armor Smart app, we also have a category listing all of our shields. And again, this is taking basically our entire product portfolio and making it interactive to the end user. So walk you through the shield section a little bit. We put all of our shields into one database, and you can sort and filter basically by any criteria that you're looking for. You can sort this by, for example, category. If your agency is interested in NIJ certified shields, you can sort this easily by level 3, 3+, 3A, 4, and really with a click, now everything is filtered down. So for example, I selected level 4 and above. Now everything that's applicable to that threat level is there. Further, you can sort it by any one of these subcategories. You can filter it by weapons platform, by the actual threat level. You can, if you're more technical, if your agencies are more technical with hard armor, then you can actually go and sift it through the specific rounds that we've tested these plates to. And that could include our kind of special threat testing or any other requirements that we've done in addition to the NIJ certification. You can also sort this by weight and by shape. So the shape is an important part because you can, if you need a curved shield, obviously you can filter them through this with quick reference, flat, any other categories. And of course by size, so we have the dimensions there too, so you know quickly what size shield you're looking for. A great feature here with the Armor Smart app that we developed is we took not only all of our concealable packages, but we also did the same thing with our tactical platforms, everything under the Paraclete brand. So what you can do here, the common denominator in the industry and what we do is ballistic coverage area. So getting people to understand and know that we're approaching this from a common platform, where the ballistics are, what's basic coverage, what's an accessory or optional coverage. So we broke it down this way. So whether you're looking for a plate rack or all the way up to a full coverage tactical vest, you can basically just navigate through here, and depending on what kind of platform you're looking for, what your agency's looking for, or what your mission is, you can quickly filter through to the best category that you're looking for. And then once you do, everything's already pre-sorted. So if you're looking for a scalable plate carrier, for example, everything that's a current product offering is pre-filtered, and now you're only looking at those plate carriers that we offer in this product line. To take it a step further, we've also mated it to the ballistic packages, whether it be hard or soft armor, that are applicable to that armor platform.